Hello, it's Mama Mo here. Here in my Grow Your Food series, you will see what I planted, how they grew. I'll also show you ideas on how you eat what you plant. Today we're going to check on how our tomatoes and pepper plants are coming along. And if you watch to the end, I will show you the sad fate of our experimental corn plant. So here's some tomatoes I planted from seed, and the seed came from the tomatoes I got from the grocery. These tomatoes took a long time to grow. I know tomatoes need lots of sunshine, so that is one factor why they didn't grow, and I also had to wait until the stores opened to get bigger pots to put them in. But once they grew, they did shoot up really tall, and they even reached the top of my greenhouse. And from what you see in that video, they had started to bear some fruit, and now this August it has turned orange, so ready to pick. The bell peppers I planted were bought from the Home Depot. So you can see here they grew very well, and I'm just waiting for it, as well as this jalapeno, to grow to their full size, and then we are ready to harvest. So how do we use our tomatoes? We can put them in our guacamole. We can saute them with onions and put them as a base for our bittermelon. Cook them with our coriander and fish fillet. You can also use cherry tomatoes to add to your focaccia art. Our bell pepper can be put into our achara. I wonder if we should try making a jalapeno popper. And as promised, here's what happened to our poor corn. I began growing the corn kernels indoors in early spring, and they did grow up nicely. Once the corn was tall enough to be transplanted, I put them in separate pots. One of the pots was put outside the greenhouse beside the one that was in the ground, till one day I saw that they had toppled over. Oh no, I think an animal has bitten through the stalk of these two corn plants, and so their journey has ended. The one remaining corn plant that is still inside the greenhouse is still alive, however, there is no sign of corn growing from it. Anyway, I will just buy corn in the grocery for now and try something else next year. Let's end on a happy note and a successful experiment. I also planted an avocado seed, and it took about 2.5 months before some action happened. So a root came out, and then it grew longer, and so did a stem with small leaves coming. And when it did, I planted it in soil in its own pot, and slowly the leaves have grown, and this is what it looks right now. Finally, success. Please let me know if you have enjoyed my Grow Your Food series. I didn't show you all the plants that I grew, but I hope that it inspires you to make your own little garden. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Please remember to like and share.